Right, for our practice, we're given these 6 different sets here, and it says identify the sets that are equivalent to set A. So we learned before that equivalent meant the same. Let me go back. Same number of elements. Okay, that vocabulary word was at the top of page 5. Sets that have the same number of elements. Remember, equal sets are sets that are exactly the same. Okay, so equivalent sets. When we do equivalent, we use this little squiggly line. So if we look at set A, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 elements. So we're looking for all the sets that have 5 elements. So we're going to say A is equivalent to B. A is equivalent to D. And A is equivalent to F because all of those sets have 5 elements. Identify the sets that are subsets of A. So if we look at A, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If you notice F, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it's exactly the same. Remember, we said that if they are exactly the same, they are still considered a subset. So we're going to say F is a subset of A. And then we're looking for anything that has the same elements. So 2, 4, 6, and 8. C is a subset of A. Fill in the chart below. So it says, given the set, and this is the empty set, there are no elements. The subsets would just be the empty set, and there would just be 1. Remember, here we have number of elements, there's 1. So our subset, we can either write the empty braces, or we could write the symbol, and it's always itself is going to be considered a set. So we have 2. Number of elements, there's 2. So our subsets, we're going to have the empty set, we're going to have a triangle by itself, we're going to have a diamond by itself, and then we're going to have the triangle and the diamond together. So there's 4. And then we have 3 elements in this set. So we have the empty set, the triangle by itself, that's a really bad diamond, but the diamond by itself, the square by itself, and then we're going to have to start doing our pairs. So we have a triangle and a diamond. We have a diamond and a square. We have a triangle and a square. And then we're going to have the set of all 3 because the set is always the subset of itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8. Remember, we can check ourselves because it's always 2 to the n, this being our n. There's 8. 2 to the second is 4, so I didn't leave anything out. And 2 to the first is 2. And then this one, 2 to the 0 is 1. So I've got everything correct. Okay. Alright, say on the back, number 3, how many subsets would you expect there to be for this set red, white, blue, and green? So if I have 4 elements, I do 2 to the 4th power, which is 16. So there would be 16 subsets. It is not asking me to list them all out. It's just saying how many. Number 4, how many subsets would you expect there to be for the following? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. So 2 to the 6th power is 64. So 64 subsets. Again, it's not asking you to list them out, it's just saying how many. Number 5, given our universal set, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, find the complement of the set. So complement of this set would be anything in our universal set. So 0, 1, not 2, 3, not 4, 5, not 6, not 7, and 8. the set of odd natural numbers less than 6. So natural is our counting numbers. So when I list odd, it's going to be 1, 3, and 5 because I'm stopping before I get to 6. So if I want the complement, these are the numbers I'm not including. So I'm going to say 0, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Given A is the elements A, B, C, find the power set of A. So our power set is when we list out all of our subsets. Remember, we want to make sure we don't forget anything, so we need 8 sets. Always start with your empty set so you don't forget about that one. List every element individually. I'm really bad at drawing these braces. Okay, then look for your pairs. So we could have A and B, we could have B and C, and we could have A and C. And then always the set itself is its own subset. So A, B, C. So did I get them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got them all. Okay, find the complement of subset B if B is AC. So from our original set, our complement would be, so if I say complement of B or B prime, whichever notation you want to use, the only thing left out is going to be the letter B.